This is Chris, and today I'm going to show you our factory. So this is our material stock and storage area, and right now I'm going to take you to our die cutting and printing area to show you guys how it works, how we packaging and printing company works. Okay, so let me show you around. Just like I said, this is the whole area is our material storage area, and that material is the die cutting material and die cutting area, and that is printing area. And as you can see, this is the material storage, right? And we will check every raw material, the mark, the size, the quantity. And this is the die cutting machine, and you can have a look. Please see this. This is the die cutting machine, whole automatic, and we got two. See? One automatic die cutting machine, and that is the second one. So we got two. So let's move to the other area. I'm sorry, the printing area. Okay. So this way. So basically we got a total 5 printing machines, and this is one of them. And this is 6+1 printing machine. The brand is Hedberg, and actually our 5 machines are all Hedberg. Okay, so you can have a look at this machine, and this area is the rest of 4 printing machines. Like I said, all the brand is Hedberg, and this is a 4+5. I'm sorry, 4+1 printing machine. This is the second one, third one, fourth one. Okay, maybe you can have a look at this. See. So this is example of from our clients, okay? And our capacity efficient, production efficient is about 120 sheets to 150 sheets per day. So to be honest, this capacity is very large. See, so this is the small size printing machine, and this is medium one, and that too is a large one. Okay, so this is our printing area. So let's move to the other material. The other area, the second floor. Just like I said, we got 5 floors, right? So this is the first floor, the printing area, and the second floor is our surface treatment area, such as the lamination, and like embossing, debossing, and gold stamping and UV lamination are all in our second floor. So it's gonna be rich experiences, and I'm eager to show you guys how it works. Okay, and such as the large factory and company like us, and we have to make every sequence of our purchase order from my clients. So every machine in our factory must have the sequence and order to start and to work. Okay, so this is the surface lamination machine, and you can see this. And basically we have over 6 surface lamination process. So this is the matte lamination. Can you see this? This is the matte film, and we're gonna use the matte film on the surface of the paper, so the paper will be anti-scratch. Okay, so let's move to the other machine. So we have 2 lamination machines right here. See, this one and this one. This one is working now, but that one is not working. See, all these are some after lamination paper right here. And that is the die cutting machine, full automatic. Can you see this? Full automatic die cutting machine. And also this. Actually, we have 3 automatic die cutting machines on the second floor. First, second, and third one. Yes, all the 3 machines are the same, with the same size, with the same capacity, and with the same function. So yes, and this machine, have a look at this. This machine is the mount paper lamination machine, and we use the machine to laminate the paper together, like maybe like 2 layers, 3 layers, to mount them together, so the paper will be more thicker. And these 2 machines are die cutting machine, but this is not automatic. This is manual. This is manual, and you can see our workmen are doing this by hand. Okay, it's not by machine, so this machine is not automatic. Okay. So on the second floor, we got 4 manual die cutting machines, and 3 automatic die cutting machines, and 1 UV printing machine, and 2 lamination surface treatment machine right here. Okay. So this is basically all the machines on the second floor, and the sequencing, the order is just like the flows right here. So this is why. So this is why we set the order, the sequencing of the machines. Okay, we have to we have to make the whole process like a flow of water. It's very smooth. Okay, let's go to our third floor. So the third floor and the fourth floor is our manual process, the manual line. And if you can see the manual line, we have like a third floor is about 3 manual lines, and the fourth floor is 2 manual lines, mainly doing the book. But let's see the third floor. Okay. See, these are all our materials right here. We order from the raw material paper factory. From paper factory, yeah. So please have a look at these 3 manual lines right here, and you guys can have look around right here. Yeah, we have many gift boxes right here, or assembly by our workers. See that? See that? The workers are glue them together. See, our pack. This is our pack. The packing. We packing these cartons and do inspections. And you can have a look right here. So these are many boxes right here. So we have to pack them together, glue them together, and then ship them to our clients. So before that, we have to do the manual process and also to inspect this quality. And if you can look at this manual line, see this, see the workers how they work. So the first, they glue them together, right? Assemble them together as a whole box, and glue the surface paper. So this is whole process, the entire manual line right here. So we have 3 lines, and if such as some sales season like October, September, October, these 2 sales season, we have may expand like 6 manual lines, but these are now our 3 lines. Okay. So these are 3 manual lines. We have to, to make the box, manual them, assemble them together. So, and let me think, it's the last part to assemble these boxes. Yeah. So just like I mentioned before, our advantage, our biggest advantage is to make the gift boxes. I mean the cardboard box. So it's obvious, like the magnetic flip box, database box, drawer box, and these 3 cardboard boxes, also called gift boxes. These are our advantage. We make them very high quality and very fast, and the production lead time is about 15 to 20 days. Yes. So the 4th floor is our manual lines also, and at the same time, we storage this material at this floor, and you can have a look. See, so it's like our storage. It's like our storage house and a warehouse. So we have storage these papers and boxes ready there, and every Thursday we will have the workman to do the inspection on the 4th floor. So this is our, and you can also call it like a QC department. Yes. Because we have to check every details. It's like the temperature and the moisture and every details of the boxes. See, these are all the materials ready to ship. So these are our floor, the 4th floor. So let me make a conclusion. Okay, we have like 4 floors factories. The first one is printing and die cutting department. The second is surface department, surface treatment department, and the 3rd and the 4th floor is our QC department and the material warehouse and the manual lines. Okay.